Hello everyone. First of all, I'd like to wish everyone a very happy Independence Day. And this is Akshaya. Today in this video, we are going to see about the submarine cable projects. You guys must be heard about it because recently it was coming in the news. And before that, we are going to see the quote of the day. Every morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most, and is said by Gautam Buddha. Submarine cable projects. See, it is a cable that is laid on seabed between the land-based stations to carry telecommunication signals across stretches of oceans and sea. Subsequent generations carried telephone traffic and then data communication traffic, and in modern days we are using the optic fiber technology to carry the digital data, which includes telephone, internet, and private data traffic. So what you guys see here in this image uh, are the fiber optic cable connections that are undersea. And we recently saw in news that our Prime Minister has inaugurated the submarine optical fiber cable connecting Chennai and Port Blair. So let's know about this new network. That is, the optical fiber cable is being connected between the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the mainlands of India. That is about 2,300 kilometers of optic fiber cable, and it is capable of providing 2 cross 200 Gbps of bandwidth between the Chennai and Port Blair. Okay, and we got further news about it that the optic fiber cable connectivity between the mainland and Lakadiv's islands are going to be done within the next 1,000 days, and our government is also planning to connect each village through optic fiber cables for better connectivity. Our government has already connected nearly 1.5 lakh gram panchayats in the country, and through optic fiber cable. And it was further stated that the participation of rural India and villages in digital India is very important for the balanced development of India. So that in order to enable this process, our government will be expanding our optic fiber network rapidly so that it will reach all these 6 lakh villages within the estimated 1,000 days. So let's see the main topic, that how it is connected in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So as you can see in this image here, that it is the fiber optic cable connectivity between Chennai and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. I'll show another image. Yes, in this image you can see the names also. That is, the submarine cable is connected between the Chennai and Port Blair, and from Port Blair to Swaraj Dweep, and then to Little Andaman and Car Nicobar, and then Kamota, and then Great Nicobar, Long Island, and Rangat. So I hope you guys can see the images here, and you can easily understand through the names, as you can see here in this right side first image. So in this all over image I'll show you. See, uh, as you can see here, these arrows are showing the connectivity that is from Chennai to Port Blair and Little Andaman, Car Nicobar, Kamorta, Great Nicobar, Long Island, and Rangat. We must know that the provision of the reliable, robust, and high speed telecom and broadband facility in these islands will be a landmark achievement from the viewpoint of consumers, as well as for strategic and governance reasons also. Okay, in this in the island, the 4G mobile services, which are disrupted due to limited bandwidth provided via satellite, will also see a major improvement because of this project. Okay, so next we are going to see about the benefits. Yes, that is, first point is better connectivity. That is, it helps in digital India, e-governance, and next point is knowledge sharing. It is useful in e-learning as well as in e-commerce sectors, and it helps in business process outsourcing services. And then last point is more reliable. That is, optic fiber cables are more reliable and cost effective, and its capacity is very large. So these are the reasons why we are opting for the um, optical fiber cables, because as I said before, it is very effective than the satellite communications. Okay, so thank you for patiently watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe for further videos. Have a very nice day. Thank you.